guys, these packages just arrived from China. These are the receipts, so I want us to unbox them together. In here is a LED light, you know, this trending LED light. So I ordered it because, you know, we don't usually have lights, so whenever I want to shoot video, I will have to wait for NEPA to bring lights. That's why I decided to order this package that has battery. It comes with battery, so that I can be filming my video whenever I want to, without having to wait for the electricity power to be restored. So right now I'm using I'm using a 12 inches ring light, so I hang it on the 18 inches ring light. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what I'm trying to say. Don't laugh at me though. The setback I'm always having is this electricity outage issue. So that's why I got this one. This is the LED light I ordered. So let us see if it actually has battery. Why I ordered it is because of the battery. So I hope it came with the battery. Wow. Am I seeing the battery right now? Look at it. Michael, stop. So is this small? And it looks bigger in picture. It looks bigger in picture than reality. It's small. Wow. It looks very big in picture, you know. So I think it came with battery. This is the battery. This is the battery. It came with 2 batteries. This is another battery. This is the what is it called again? I don't know, Jai. This is the battery charger. This is the battery charger. Travel charger, battery charger. Then this is the adapter, I guess. Yes, this is the adapter. So this is what I got. Let us move on to this second box. So in here, this one is heavy. In here, this one weighed about 5.74 kg. In here are clothes. I got some clothes for myself. This one. Let us start with this one. This is for me. Wow. Okay, this right here, this one belongs to my husband. I know most of you that have been watching my unboxing video, you guys will be like, why is she always buying stuff for herself and her children? Does she buy for her husband? Yeah, this one belongs to my darling husband. This is the second one. It's the same design. Yeah, these 3 are for my husband. You know, men always care more for the family. So that's why I decided to get him some stuff this time. So this one is a top. Yeah, this is a blouse for me. Wow, this is beautiful.
For you.
I love it. It looks small. It looks small.
Not as big.
It came with this. It came with this one. So it's this and this together. So here is another one. Wow.
Yeah.
This is nice. So next, get the Ooh. Oh my, so beautiful.
I know it's beautiful.
This is the trouser, 2-piece.
I know it's beautiful, but it's my pen.
Mm. Mm.
I know it's like
Next, another one. Yay! Love my stars. Woo!
Mommy, who my pen?
Hmm. This is the trouser. I hope this one will size me. It looks small.
To size you. Is it small?
Okay. Next, what is in here? Okay, these ones are shorts. Shorts. These ones are for my husband. And I said she go and sit down. They are shorts for my daddy. Here's another color. Here's another color. Okay. What is in here? Okay, this one is phone holder. Phone holder for that for the LED light I bought, because it doesn't come with a phone holder, so I had to order phone holder that I can clip on my tripod stand when I'm using it. It's not like normal ring light that comes with a phone holder. That's why I got these 2 phone holders. Okay, next. So this one is a beautiful shoe for my baby girl. Yeah, come and take her name. You like them? Hmm? Then everything I bought is all long sleeve, oh. Oh, this one is big. Next, what's this? What's in here? Okay, Anna, see.
For me.
These ones are spoons for my babies. I think this one is for Michael. Michael, come and take. You are starting school pretty soon. This is for you. Say thank you, Mama. Take. This for you. Mickey Mouse for us. Mickey Mouse spoons. This one is for I know. Yeah, I bought Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse color pink.
A Mickey Mouse.
2 color pink. For my baby girl. For my baby girl. Yeah, here is the pack. What are you supposed to say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Hey, come on, kiss.
I gotta kiss you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mommy, come and kiss Mommy.
So last but not the least, okay, these ones are also for our daddy. They are also for our daddy, my darling husband.
Yeah, my God.
Ooh, this is beautiful. Check this out. Check out this quality.
For your daddy.
Turtleneck, like this turtleneck is thick, like very, very thick. So look at, here's the second one. I love this particular color. Maybe this thing is going on. I love this color. I'm going to steal it from my daddy, my baby, my husband. Check this out. This is nice. This is nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You like all the things I got. You like all these things I got. So guys, if you are interested in going into mini importation from China, I have lots of importation training videos on this my channel. So just go to my importation playlist to watch all the videos to learn how to import from China. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.